This is John Piper with the Tuesday video. It's Tuesday the 20th of June. Looking at GDX this morning first. I mentioned in the weekend report that we had a time price analysis buy signal with a low due on the 19th, so we did see a low on the 19th. Hardly the stuff of legend, but of course what's important is what comes next. Looking for rally now into mid-August. So as I mentioned, I'm positioned on this. I've also bought some gold this morning. And looking for a move up here, so that's still in progress. Alright, on to gold. This is the daily chart. 200-day moving average is now here. We're also in the time frame for a low on gold itself at the moment. Same basic parameters into mid-August. So we have currently market probing lower. Let's have a look at the slightly shorter term. Okay, we peaked at 1296, resistance around 1295, 1300. Could be an A, B, then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not a very good 5 because the third wave is the shortest. It's not technically allowed. We had a low come in the correct time frame, but a very feeble bounce so far. I'm not going to recommend, actually I never recommend anything, but that's a position you may want to consider. If it fits in with your parameters. Very tight stop, of course, about 5 points would do it, but you may think that's not enough. I wouldn't disagree with that, but same basic curve. This analysis is calling for a low in this time frame. Alright, FTSE is a case, this is a peak, but the wave pattern is not confirming. A, B, C, and this looks impulsive currently, so can't rule out new highs on this market. Right, DAX is quite interesting from this low early in 2016. This could be a 1, it could be a 2, then got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be a 2 wave, quite a substantial 2 wave, lasted some months. Then we've got 1, 2, how do you count this? Say 3 to there, 4. Actually, it's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fourth wave is around here somewhere. That's a clear 1, clear 2, clear 3, less clear 4, but then we have got 5 waves out from there. So again, we are in a peaking process. Given they've got this wave here as a 2, then we could be due a 4 wave quite soon now. But that could be quite significant. This is quite a decent pullback, around 10-15%. So the fourth wave could be bigger than that, taking a step back below 10,000 or thereabouts. But also you've got fourth wave support around the 12,000 level or thereabouts. Sorry, the 12,000 level or thereabouts. But certainly looking a little bit toppy at the moment. I certainly think that the biggest gains are behind it. Right, on to the Dow. This is a daily chart. If we count this as a wave 4, then we've got a 1, 2, 3. With 4 and 5 to come, so that's clear. What's not quite so clear is the count up to that point. If we count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that could be wave 1, that could be wave 2, then we could have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the third wave around there, that counts a bit messy too. I mean, that's obviously a very subnormal 2 wave. This looks good once it's complete. And that looks pretty good. However, the area between here and here is open to a fair bit of interpretation. There are various different counts. So at the moment I'd leave that aside. The key thing is that we are seeing a fifth. Well, we're seeing an impulsive move up, looking for a 4th and the 5. So we've still got higher to go. So the next few months should see that sorted, I would think. I mean, this low was in March. So the waves 1 and 2 last about a month, so if a wave 4 starts now, looking for some kind of peak next month, July. I mean, I think it's fair to say that markets are generally forming fairly sort of unsatisfactory patterns right now. Often the summer can be a bit challenging, so maybe we're going to see some, well, the same kind of action for a little bit longer, but a peak should clarify that. Look at Apple for a change. If we take the low there, again April 2016, we can certainly count a rather nice 5-wave advance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to there. Looks like a bit of a third wave, I'd say. What's the I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to there with a 1, 2, that's the third wave, 4, 5, that's 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4 now in progress with fourth wave resistance around here, 140. So again, seems to confirm that we've got one more rally to come up, although of course the decline here looks almost over, whereas other markets isn't quite so clear. Again, there's a case that all the main gains are behind us, and that this is the final gasp that we're expecting. However, looking at Apple from a longer term perspective, this is the weekly chart. This is like a third wave. I mean, very strong action, went from 10 in 2009 up to 90, no sorry 100, so 1000% up. That could be a fourth wave, fifth wave, nowhere near as strong, only doubled. So that could be a wave 5 peak for Apple. This could be a massive 2 wave, although not that massive because it's very strong. This could be actually wave 1 of a new bull market, with that one final rally to come to complete wave 1. So Apple might well be a stock that doesn't suffer too much if we see a major peak coming up at the moment. And finally, I look at Bitcoin this morning. This is only a 1 month worth of action, so actually let me just move that slide. This was a peak we saw about a month ago. Fell about 1,000 points now, from about 2.7 to 2.6. That was an ABC. I count that as a fourth wave. Looking, you take that as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be a fifth wave. A, B, C could be it. I mean, a very subdued decline. That's all we're going to see after this sort of massive peak. This is indecisive at the moment. I mean, so far Bitcoin has just shrugged off all negatives, just kept on going. It's already rallied, well, $500 off this low here in a few days already. But if this starts to fall back again, then there's a case that we're going to see a bigger correction. I've yet to actually buy anything. Well, I mean, I haven't really bought any Bitcoin at all so far. All my Bitcoin has come either from mining or from recommendations. In fact, everything, I haven't really put any money into this other than the mining shares I bought via BitClub network, which is what I suggested other people might want to consider doing. And you still buy the same shares at the same price, even though the Bitcoin they're producing is now so much more valuable. But so I haven't really approached it from the point of view of trading it. I think I'm now looking into this website, GDX, with a view to actually setting up a margin account and trading Bitcoin. It's something I think is worth doing. Certainly, if this is going to be, if we do start falling away, I'll be hedging my positions by trading, which is something I'll be telling you about as we move forward. But certainly, there is potential this peak is more important, and that we are due a more serious pullback. I mean, wave 4 support is around here, so around 1600 on this chart. This is a chart of Bitcoin against something called the US dollar tether, which is actually a cryptocurrency that tracks the US dollar. I think has its uses. Obviously, it's unable to gyrate that wildly, but it forms a base on which to trade Bitcoin. So that would be the base. It went below that, obviously that would be something else. But at the moment, with this fall here being about $1,000, then a fall from here to here would actually take us down to that level again. So that would actually make quite a neat pattern. How long it would take to do that, I don't know. And clearly a break below that support level would be of concern. Anyway, that's the current position on Bitcoin. Right, hope you found that interesting and useful. Back to the report on Thursday morning. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now. Plus also please email me with any comments or in the WhatsApp room, whatever is better for you. Thank you, bye bye.